This is what happens when you can't hold your liquor. Your ass get knocked out, fall out, and snoring like a motherfucker. Going off that liquor. Look at this shit here. Don't make no damn sense. Snoring like a motherfucker. He gonna wake up the whole house. The whole block. The whole city. The entire damn world. Ain't that right? Snore once for yes. Thank you.